Hello. So we are KTV company and we are manufacturer about the wireless intercom. So our wireless intercom is 1.9 frequency, so it's no delay. And our intercom voice is very crystal clear voice. So our intercom one master support 8 remote and it have group function. It have 3 group, yeah, ABC 3 group. It also support audio in and have ENC noise cancellation, yeah, and universal battery. Remote battery can work in 50 hours. The battery support AC Type C input charging and also charger. Yeah, and this is our new version, Community 8 Pro, and it is big ear, so comfortable, wearable. Yeah, thank you.